This video will explain how to graph a linear relationship on a Cartesian plane. Okay, so we're going to produce a linear graph of y equals x. And we're going to start with the table of values. So here's our table. It goes from -6 to +6, which are the x values. And determined by the equation will determine what the y values are. Now it says y equals x. So it means that y has got to be exactly the same as x. So if we have a look at -6, if x is -6, y has to be -6. If x is -5, y is -5. If x is -4, y is -4. X is -3, y is -3, and so on. So every value of x is exactly the same as every value of y. So here is our table of values, and you can see here we've got an x number and a y number, which means we've got our coordinate. So in this first column, our coordinates are x equals -6, y equals -6, or -6, -6. So let's look at our Cartesian plane, or our axis. Now on a previous video I have demonstrated how to actually draw the points on the plane. So you might need to have a look at that if you're not sure how to do that. If you're sure how to do that, then you should understand what I'm doing. So the first point we have here is -6, -6. And that is the one sitting there. X equals -6, y equals -6. The next one is x equals -5, y equals -5, and that sits there. -5 for x, -5 for y. -4 for x, -4 for y is the next point. -3 for x, -3 for y is the next point. -2 for x, -2 for y. -1 for x, -1 for y. 0 for each of them. X is 1, y is 1. X is 2, y is 2. X is 3, y is 3. X is 4, y is 4. X is 5, y is 5. X is 6, y is 6. And we can draw a line to join up all these points. And there we have it. There is our graph of y equals x, where all the values of y are exactly the same as the values of x.